everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rupees. This channel I open for stock market education purpose. So which is exclusively for new people and for the people who are already trading for those intermediate level and advanced level as well. So this channel is for training purpose for the stock market trading and investment purpose, and also for index trading, options, futures, and commodities, and even I cover for the forex trading as well. So I do here the training on the technical analysis and fundamental analysis, and also if people who are like little more knowledgeable, they can also trade in the intraday and the swing trading. But I don't recommend for the new people to trade in intraday. So people who are already experienced, those people I can train you on the intraday and swing trading. Because if you people are new, you have to take in a short term trading as an idea. So it is not recommended if you are a very new to intraday, because it's a lot of volatility. You should know how to control the market, how to control your emotions, and the stock market trading and investmenting is two different ideas, right? Investment is different, and trading is different. So for that reason, I don't recommend intraday trading for the very new traders, or the person who is joined and trained very newly. So they just can do for the paper trading for few days, then they can come to the real trading. But it is very interesting, so that you people has to learn, because here there is nobody can earn unless you learn. If you learn, because you should not be depend on lifelong with the expert, because you should know what when to pick the stock, what time to pick the, when to exit the stocks. So I am very frankly telling you, if you go by an expert, even at 20 years expert, he cannot be correct. But by experience, when you are doing your own experience, your analysis, day by day, you will learn so many things. You will come to know, you once you get the nerve of the stock market, you can earn here like unlimited money actually. So uh, that is the reason why I just wanted to people who are very new, and if you wanted to learn with me, and also like people who are already in stock market, and if they are not getting an enough profit, and where they don't have idea where to exit and where to enter. So I am here to help you guys. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel, and drop me your number in case I will conduct an every weekends webinar on this. And I have a prepared for the PPT and for the stock market basics. It is from the basics level. So you can say LKG UKG level until like expert level. I have an webinar prepared. So I will be training you, don't worry about that. And once you are a confident, right? So but make sure that when you are entering into the stock market, if you are having like 10,000, just 10% of your capital should be uh, traded. Okay, do not ever try with the 100% capital, because you have a 90% left. In case if anything gone wrong, you have a confidence that in that 90% you can earn again 500% or 1000% or 10,000%, right? So that is what I'm very clear here. Please make sure that first learn, then you enter into the stock market. So learning and earning is here, go in the same page. If you don't want to learn, please do not come to the stock market. If you are interested to learn, then only please come to the stock market trading, and you can earn hell lot of money here. In because the people who are working for 9 to 5 jobs, they might get in a whole day they can earn like 2 to 3,000. The 2 to 3,000 become per month is 90,000, right? But here, if you are just 10 minutes, if you're spending in correct trade, you can earn like 2,000 3,000 rupees. But again, I'm telling you, you should not be very greedy. You should know how to book, when to enter, when to exit, and you should know at least some basics analysis when you are entering to the stock market. That is the one which I wanted to train you guys. So please share your number in this YouTube channel and subscribe in this channel, and I'll be sharing the link on the weekends. We'll be conducting the webinars on this, and I will explain you in details over there. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching and like my videos and share my videos. Thank you.